Hello everyone, my name is Manoj from Srinivas Institute of Technology, Mangaluru. Today I am present about my idea that is rechargeable universal IR remote. Okay, the concept involves to create a universal IR remote using Arduino Nano board. This device serves as a comprehensive control solution for various electronics devices. By integrating an IR receiver and transmitter, it can both receive and emit IR signals. User can customize it by storing IR codes from laptop by connect to Arduino Nano board. From this remote, we will control the wireless controlling device such as TVs, ACs, and media players. This remote ensures user convenience. A rechargeable lithium-ion battery powers the remote while a charging module prevents overcharging module. Components required are Arduino Nano resistances, that is 101 kilo ohm, button switches and lithium-ion battery, breadboard, charging module and wires. Here circuit diagram, I will refer this for my idea. Thank you.